How to access Facebook Marketplace on mobile app. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you may follow up these methods. So for that, you can directly open up the Facebook app, and then once you open it up, you should be logged in and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you can directly look if Marketplace is listed at one of the menu options, otherwise what you can do is tap on the menu bar at the top right, and from the menu here we have different options. Now from the options, you may locate up the option called Marketplace, which is right under Find Friends. Go ahead and tap on it, and after tapping on it, here you are in the marketplace from where you can browse, buy and sell items. Here we have different categories available. You may choose of the categories that you would like to buy. Similarly, we have this message icon, friend icon to whom we can share it. We even have an option to change up the location from where you would like to buy the items for. So that is how you basically access Facebook Marketplace on mobile application very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.